Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by mixing the dry base and cutting in the fat so gluten stays minimal and biscuits stay tender. Measure 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt into a large bowl. Toss briefly to distribute leavening. Immediately add 6 tablespoons very cold butter, then press and lift with a pastry cutter or 2 forks until bits the size of peas remain. This initial texture controls flakiness. Work quickly and keep ingredients cold to prevent toughness. Once the fat is in pea-sized pieces, you add the liquid carefully so the dough stays light. Whisk 3/4 cup milk or buttermilk and pour in roughly 1/2 cup, mixing gently until a shaggy, slightly sticky mass forms. Add more liquid only if needed. Turn the dough onto a floured surface, fold it over 3 times to create layers, then pat to about 1 inch thick. Cut straight down with a 2-inch cutter to preserve rise and avoid twisting. Slide the cut biscuits onto a baking sheet, close together for higher sides or spaced for crisp edges. Immediately place in a 425 degrees F oven and bake 12 to 15 minutes until golden on top. Once done, brush with melted butter for shine and extra flavor and cool briefly on a rack. If your biscuits turn out dense, make sure the butter was cold and you didn't overwork the dough. Next time, chill the dough, handle gently, and recut from a lightly floured surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.